myself, Dr. B. Kavitha, Assistant Professor in PG and Research Department of Chemistry, Kadamam Planters Association College, Bodina, Kannur. In this lecture, we are going to see about the point groups DNH and D infinity H. So, DNH point group, the point group with the principal CN axis and N perpendicular C2 axis along with a horizontal sigma H plane is designated as DNH point group. Such a group will naturally have vertical sigma V planes too. This group possesses the inversion center when the CN axis of symmetry will have even order. Example for this point group is D2H point group. Trans dichlorodiamine nickel 2 complex possess D2H point group. D2H point group has 8 symmetry operations. They are E, 3C2, 2 sigma V, sigma H and I. Here we have represented the structure of molecule. In this, there are 3 C2 axes, one passing through the nickel and another passing through the chlorine and NH2 groups. There are 2 sigma V plane and 1 sigma H plane, and there is an inversion center in the molecule. Next one is D3H point group. Boron trifluoride molecule which is having trigonal planar structure possesses D3H point group. The point group of molecule is D3H. It has 12 symmetry operations. They are E, 2C3, 2S3, 3C2, 3 sigma V and 1 sigma H plane. Here we have represented the structure of BF3 molecule along with the C3 axis, C2 axis, sigma V plane and all. The principal axis perpendicular to the plane of molecule is C3, which is passing through the boron atom. It is a threefold axis passing through the boron atom. Besides this C3 axis, there are 3 subsidiary C2 axes which is passing through the fluorine atom. There are 3 vertical planes, sigma V and 1 sigma H plane. D4H point group, nickel tetracyanide 2 minus, which is having a square planar structure, belongs to D4H point group. It has 16 symmetry operation. They are E, 3C4, 4C2, 2S4, 4 sigma V, 1 sigma H and I. The axis passing through nickel and perpendicular to the plane of an axis of fourfold symmetry, that is C4 axis. Besides C4 axis, there are 4 C2 axes of symmetry. And there are 4 sigma V plane and 1 sigma H plane. Here we have represented the sigma V plane where it was located, and it will also have an inversion center because the order is even. D6H point group, benzene molecule comes under this point group. It has 24 symmetry operations. They are E, 5C6, 6C2, 2S3, 2S6, 6 sigma V, 1 sigma H and 1 inversion center. The principal axis, that is C6 axis, passes through the center of hexagonal ring, which we have represented here. Besides the 6-fold axis of symmetry, there are 6 C2 axes of symmetry, 3 passing through the center of symmetry and 2 opposite C atoms, and 3 passing through the center of symmetry and center of 2 opposite edges, which we have represented in this image. And there are 6 sigma V planes, 3 passing through opposite C atom and 3 passing through the center of 2 opposite edges, which we have represented here in this molecule structure. The plane passing through 6 C atoms and is perpendicular to the C6 is sigma H plane. Next, D infinity H point group, carbon dioxide molecule which is having linear structure possesses this D infinity H point group with the center of symmetry. It has the identity element E, C infinity axis infinity perpendicular C2 axis, one sigma h plane and one sigma v plane, and it belongs to D infinity H point group and has the symmetry elements E, 2C infinity, infinity number of sigma v plane, 1 sigma h, I inversion center, 2 S infinity improper axis of symmetry, and infinite number of C2 axis. Thank you.